Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. In today's video, I'm at a car show in the city of Hialeah. I'm gonna be walking around and showing you guys some of the cars that they have here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, if you do, let me know with a big like. It's gonna really help my channel. And if it is your first time passing by the channel, like always, go ahead and subscribe. Let's go ahead and start by this 1957 Chevy Belair, two-door convertible. Really nice car. I'm gonna go around really slowly so you guys can admire this beauty, and then we're gonna move on to the next one. You got the spare tire in the back, as well as some extras in the front that are era correct to this 1957 year. Like the smoke bump, the compass. Over here we got a Ford. This model Ford is one of my favorite Fords. I'm not a big fan of Ford, but this one I like. It has a nice patina, original paint, no rust at all. Original interior. You got the patina on the roof, trunk, and the hood. Over here we got an Oldsmobile. In my opinion, this is one of my favorite Oldsmobile in the entire show. Even though we have all the pretty cars here, and the reason why I say that is because this car is completely original. Still at 6 volts. Original engine. Original paint. Patina. You can see cracks on the paint, showing the history of the car. A nice little detail about this car is that, like I mentioned, it's completely original. If you guys look closely, it still has dust on the seats, right? That it hasn't been cleaned. This car was found in a barn. The dash is rusted as well. And if you guys look closely, I'm gonna go by the other side. It has spider webs on the roof above the vent visor. The owner is now planning on restoring this car. He wants to keep it like that. And to be honest with you guys, I really like it, and I dig the style of the car. Nice patina. 2-door, no post. Let me see if I can show you guys the spider web. You guys see it? Over here we got a beautiful black Cadillac, 4-door, no post. This is a 1955, I believe. 1957 Cadillac. Same as this one over here. This one is 2-door, hardtop. Beautiful interior. Which one would you guys prefer? Pink or black? Another 57 Cadillac, same as the black one. 4-door, no post. We got a few Cadillacs in the show, as well as Oldsmobiles and Belairs. A little bit of every taste. 4-door 57 Belair. Four-door 57 Belair. Oldsmobile, 4 doors, no post. 2 tones, white and blue. Nice interior matching the outside, white and blue as well. Ford, 4 doors. It's funny because a car like this one was the one that took me and my family to the airport when I was a kid in Cuba and we were leaving the country, coming to the United States. A car like that was the one that took me and my family to the airport. So a car like this has a lot of history and in me. This is a car that's very rare. I've never seen a car like this before. To be honest with you guys, I don't even know who makes these cars. If you guys know, please let me know in the comments down below. It's a 2-door Edsel. I don't know if that's a brand or if it is part of GM, General Motors, I don't know. So if you guys know, let me know please. Edsel 1960, very rare car. I've never seen it in my life. First time seeing it in person. Beautiful interior. Okay, we got another Oldsmobile, 4 doors, no post, same as the one that I just finished showing you guys. Same interior. Beautiful cars. In my opinion, any of these cars, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, Cadillac, obviously the Cadillac, but when it comes to the Oldsmobiles, these cars had so many extras and features compared to any other Chevy. I believe that the Chevy in the 1950s was like the entry level of GM cars, and then you had the Pontiac, the Oldsmobile, eventually going up to the Cadillac. Now we're gonna go around the other side of the aisle. We have another 57 Cadillac. This one belongs to my friend Alex. Original from California, original paint, original interior, original engine, power windows, beautiful blue interior, very nice steering wheel. 1954 Chevy Belair. Beautiful COE 52 3100. This car is for sale, by the way. So if you guys are looking for a Chevy truck, this one is for sale. Let me show you guys the interior really quick. AC, 350 engine, all the creature comforts. Yeah. 1955 Belair, one of my favorite years in the Belair. Beautiful green and white color, beautiful interior matching the exterior. AC, aftermarket AC, obviously. Which one is your favorite Belair year? Mine is the 55. Some people like the 57. Me personally, I like the 57 if it is convertible, like the one I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, the red one. And if it is hard top to door, I like the 55. Here we have another Edsel. To be honest with you guys, I just found out about this brand. Excuse my ignorance. But I would love for you guys to tell me who made these cars. Another 55 Belair, 4 doors, white and red, beautiful car. '57, the least of my favorite Belairs in years. A lot of people in Miami go after these cars, the 57 4 doors, because it's the ones they had in Cuba. In Cuba, all they had was 1957 4 doors. They were the most popular cars, so people in Miami, most of them, it's a population of Cubans, including myself. So we go after these cars a lot, but not me. I tend to stick to the 1950 Deluxe Coupe, 2-door, which is my car that I recently purchased. I'm still doing things I'm still doing things to it little by little. Among the things that I'm planning on doing is the carpets in the floor, as well as fixing a little things here and there with the exterior, like aligning the panels, the doors, things like that. This car, I bought it a month ago, and it was owned by a 75-year-old man who had it for 35 years, who previously bought it from the original owner in 1987. The car was repainted about 20-something years ago, and it looks very nice. I think I made a very good purchase when I decided to buy this car, having in mind that I never went to see the car. I bought it from the internet without going to see the car. Over here we have a Cadillac, 67 Cadillac if I'm not mistaken, on airbags, custom interior, Detroit steel wheels, very nice paint job. It took the owner 2 or 3 years to restore this car, and it looked nothing like this. Look at this interior. We're having a little bit of technical difficulties opening the hood. Excuse the noise. Bien, ¿qué está sucediendo? ¿Qué cosa está sucediendo? Ah, perfecto. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know with a big like. If it is your first time passing by the channel, like always, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on social media at Generation Oldschool, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much. Bye.